Come test drive the 2021 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, rear spoiler. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details.